How to fix and recover a corrupt history file in ZSH. After a reboot, I started seeing a message when loading the shell. How can I recover from this situation and potentially recover some of the history?
Found a blog post describing a fix that appears to work for me, while restoring my missing history. Afterwards, you may want to instruct ZSH to reread the history form the recovered history file.
Simply removing random characters may also work. vim.zsh_history. Remove any strange characters, which would most probably be near the end. In my case, I had a string event in the second last line, following a forced shutdown. Column X, save and exit.
Ah,